Akehurst here, and I'm going to show you a new feature we have in Genius Messenger CRM. You can now add images to your broadcasts, and even dynamic images. And I'll show you what you mean. So the first thing we want to do is go to your home inside Genius Messenger, go to segments. There are two places you can add your images. One is in segments, create a message segment. I'll call this image test. And just like any other segment, you have to have at least 2 blocks. What you're going to do is you're going to put in an image URL. Let me make this bigger. You want to paste the URL right there. You need to leave the 3 less than arrows and the 3 greater than arrows. And let's go over to Google. I just grabbed some nature images. We'll just open one and grab the link. Oops. Copy image address. We'll go back here to our segments and we'll paste. See how we've pasted that right in there? And we'll add that block. And let's do another one. You have to have at least 2. The more the merrier, but at least 2. Just like any other segment, if it doesn't have 2 things to choose from, it's not going to send anything. So let's grab one more. And we'll use this one. Just grab the image address. Whoops. I'm going to show you that one in a minute and put it in there. Add block. So now we have 2 blocks. We have a legitimate segment. We can stop it. I want to show you how to do a dynamic image also. So a dynamic image, go to Nifty Images, which is free. Unless you send lots and lots and lots of images, it'll always be free. And pick an image. And actually, let me go back to the beginning here. Create image timer. I'll show you how we do this. Personalized image. I think I have an image, one of these in here. Yeah, we'll just put it over there. And then you'll add a merge tag layer and use the name one, use merge tag, and it puts it in there. And you can change your font. You can make it different colors. We'll use white on this dark background. You can move it around, things like that. I'll just put it there and then save. Image test. Submit. Okay. And then you'll get a URL, right? And you can get the URL from your image list if you need to. You're going to copy. If you use some of our other extensions like our Genius birthday posts, you'll know you copy this whole thing and you keep where it says merge tag. You're not going to use merge tag, but copy the whole thing. Do not copy the quotation marks. Only the items inside the quotation marks. Come back here, you'll do image URL and you will put that there. Now we want to take where it says merge tag and you can put either their first name, their last name, or their nickname. And it didn't get rid of merge tag. You have to get rid of where it says merge tag, so it'll say question mark name equals bracket and then either nickname, last name, or first name, and then it'll have your 3 greater thans. You've got your 3 on each side there, right? And so it'll look at when it's posted to Facebook, it'll look at their nickname if you've entered one, and nickname defaults to first name if you haven't entered one, or their last name, and you can add that block. So we'll save that segment. The other place that you can add images, that's if you want a variety of images so that it's always grabbing a different one. If you're sending a lot of messages, it's a good idea. Just like it's better to have 4, 5, 6 different segments with 4, 5, 6 different options in each one. Same thing with images. You should have a good selection of them. However, when you create a group, you could put, maybe you've got a segment in. It doesn't really matter what it is. I'll just put that down. Now you can also input an image URL, all right? And you just put the URL there, okay? Let's grab, we'll grab one of these older ones that we had. I'm not going to use the dynamic one. You'll have to manually enter all that dynamic stuff in because you don't have a button to click here. So just to show it easier here, we'll just grab that. There's your URL, hit done. You can see the images right there and you can save the group. So if you're always going to send everybody the same image, you can do it right here in the group because you only need one URL. If you want a variety of images that it will choose one, just like it chooses other segments, then do it in the segments. And that's it. Oh, you have to give it a title. We'll just call it image. Have to add the block. There we go. Okay. That's it. You can now do images in your broadcasts. Enjoy.